Here's the easiest way to create your first NFT. First, you want to open your favorite search engine. Type in MetaMask. And it'll be this first website right here. And you can download it to your web browser. Once you download it, it'll be an extension. You want to log in. Once you get to the OpenSea website, you want to click on this Create tab right here. Then you want to link your MetaMask wallet. Once you log in with your MetaMask, you're going to be on this new page and you're going to be able to create a new NFT. Create a new item, insert the image, audio, video, GIF, whatever it is, insert it here, give it a name, an external link, a description for your NFT, a collection, and then you can add properties, levels, and stats, unlockable content, and how much supply you want to create it, what blockchain you want to put it under. And then you just hit create. Make sure to follow and subscribe for more content like this. And welcome to the investing family. And there you go, your NFT is created. A brand new video, shall we? Cheers, my friend.